Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri. And if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Speaking of indie brands, today's video is my Laura Los Angeles mystery bag. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, and turn on your bell notification so that YouTube might notify you when I upload a new video, which is typically Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Laura Los Angeles launched some mystery bags, and I was able to snag 2 of them. One for myself, and then one for you guys to put back toward my 2K giveaway. So deets will be coming on that very, very soon. I'm going to open the box. I'm very excited. I'm going to tell y'all right now, this feels incredibly heavy, and I will let you know deets and everything as we are kind of going along. It did have a cute little card in here. I did get the Makeup Mystery Bag A. I also got the Makeup Mystery Bag C for you guys. I can tell you that I purchased it with no problems at all, no issues. There was no crashing on the site, didn't have to wait, nothing. And it shipped less than 30 minutes later. Yes, I was shocked too. So the C, I'm carefully gonna take out. It's not actually in a box. Let me show you guys how it kind of looks in here. It is packaged really beautifully. This is so damn heavy. But you can see C and A. That's a lot of stuff, you guys. Oh my goodness. There's lots of bubble wrap in here. There's a big layer of bubble wrap also on the bottom. OC will be left in the box. Again, I will have deets coming on my 2K giveaway very, very soon. So let's put that out of our way, and we're gonna dive in. The very first thing that I see, I did kind of see her sneak peek when she did it on her channel, is this mirror, and it is way bigger in person than I thought it was going to be. Again, padded beautifully and also put in plastic. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I love mystery bags, you guys. Wow. This has some beautiful weight to it. Oh, and it is a regular mirror and a magnification mirror. I like that. I can see my entire face in this. And it has like the beautiful kind of marble effect with the logo on here. Most of my stuff in my room is the same kind of marble, so it's going to match perfectly. And it feels heavy and substantial, but also nice in the hand. I like this. We're starting off on the right foot, y'all. Next up is, I have no idea, so let's check it out. Again, it has her branding and everything on there and her logos. Awesome. It's an empty palette. Again, feels nice and heavy, nice and substantial. I do like the black matte with the rose gold. And then, of course, her branding again and the branding on the back. She is a cruelty-free brand as well. Okay. So I'm thinking her brand new product that she's going to be launching, she did mention that, is this sponge. Holy shit. This is the Laura Lee LL Beauty Sponge. The LL Beauty Sponge is a double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour, and blend all in one. It works great with powders, liquids, and creams. Your makeup will be left with a flawless, streak-free finish. And then it points out it has the flat surface for baking, and then the pointed tip for precise application, and it is a beautiful nude shade. So we'll dive into this as well. Ooh, already it feels really, really nice. It's kind of a mixture. I don't have it over here, but the little tiny elf like camo sponge that's kind of like teeny tiny and shaped very similar to this. I really do think you can get super duper precise with this. It already feels incredibly soft. I'm excited, very excited. This bag is gorgeous. I just got back from vacation. I totally wish I had this. I'm going to try to get as close as I can so you can see like the kind of beautiful like glitter reflect that's in here. Again, it has her branding and the rose gold. I like that the zipper pull is the same black matching fabric. It looks really nice and it's heavy, so it is packed full of goodies. When I say this thing is packed to the brim, it is packed to the brim. Oh my gosh. So I'll start right here. This is so exciting. Again, wrapped beautifully and bubble wrapped as well. And I do always hang on to this stuff. I know that's not the best thing to have a bunch of plastics and bubble wraps and things like that, but I save all of it so I can also repurpose it, and I use it for shipping my products. This is the Lauralee Los Angeles Boss Babe Mini Palette. And I have tried, I do have the regular original Nudie Patootie palette and several of her liquid lipsticks. Her liquid lipsticks are some of my all-time favorite. They're incredible, and the palette is phenomenal. So that's all I've tried. I'm very excited to kind of dive in and try more things from her brand. So that is what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I kind of wish I would have had all this stuff before I went on vacation, because I would have taken this as a travel palette. So very, very pretty. This is just the unboxing today, but myself and my girl Kate, I'll pop her beautiful face right here. Once she receives her box and she opens her box, we're going to kind of collaborate together, and we're going to do a full face using all of our Lauralee goodies that we both got in our mystery bags. Also, did you get a mystery bag? Which one did you get, and are you happy with it? And then next up, I see a ton of single shadows, which I love that they sent the Z palette as well. So we have a beautiful, it looks kind of lilac-y with a little bit of like glitter reflect in it, called Silver Clouds. We have a beautiful like deep copper shade, metallic as well, called Copper Hopper. That's quite fitting. Oh, we have a beautiful kind of royal majestic blue called Cobalt Cat. Oh man. We have a deep kind of turquoisey blue shade. It's called Crystal Sea. So, we have a beautiful deep green called Sweet Pea, and a pretty kind of like rosy goldy type of shade called Glam Gal. This is exciting. Okay, I do see the Lauralee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. I do already have this palette, and it is incredible. Beautiful formulation, blends well, lasts all day on the lids. Then I see something I wanted to try, and I'm so damn excited. I have not tried anything else, like I said, so I'm super excited to try this. This is the Glazed and Bronze Lit Kit. So I'm going to open this up. We have the medium to deep and the light to medium in here. I like that they did that so they could be inclusive. And then, of course, if one doesn't work for you as a highlight kit, you could also gift it, pay it forward, or use it for eyeshadows. So I like that you got both in here. We have glazed and bronzed. So I'm going to open them up and look at them. This one is the glazed. We have diamonds, glow gal, rosé all day, and cinnamon sugar. Those are massive pans, and this feels quite heavy and quite well made. That makes me feel really good. And then we also have our bronzed palette. And I'm going to assume, yes, this one is the one that is for deeper skin. So in this one, we have Yacht Club, Rose Goals, Gold Rush, and On the Glow. So I'm actually going to give this, I think, to my niece or to my sister and see if they want it. If not, then obviously I'll throw it in my giveaway pile. I have so many things in my giveaway pile, y'all. And y'all know I like to do random giveaways, secret giveaways. And of course, I have my big 2K giveaway coming up very soon. So I'm going to stick the bronzed one back in here and just keep it in this and put it with the Nudie Patootie palette. Holy crap. We're still going, y'all. We are still going. Already, with just the first few things, I felt like it was well worth $75. And honestly, thus far, this is one of the better mystery bags I've ever gotten as far as price versus value. We also did get 3 of her brushes. We got the L19. We also got the L12. And the L14. I do actually have the entire, I forgot about that. I do actually have the entire brush set that came with the brush bag when she launched it. So I'm going to add these also for a future giveaway. Next up, oh my gosh, we have a liquid lipstick from the Glazed and Bronzed collection in the shade Cabana. I'm going to have to double check in my lip drawer and see if I have this one. I think that I do. So I'm not going to swatch this or open it, but it is a beautiful nude shade. And if I do have it, I'm going to pop it also into a future giveaway. Then last, but certainly not least, honeys, because there's a lot in here, is a liquid lipstick in Nakey Nakey, which I actually do have, but it is almost gone. So I'm going to definitely keep this one. Again, her liquid lipstick formula is one of my all-time favorites. It's quite opaque. The formula feels very comfortable on the lips. It's not super over-drying. It lasts all day. They smell like sweet tarts. I love them. So this is the shade Nakey Nakey, and this is kind of her standard packaging. This is slightly light on me. What I like to do with this is put a deeper lip color on the outside, pop this on the center, or use a more deep or more brown shade like lip liner and then do this. But I love her formula. Very quickly, we'll go back over what we got in this box, and then you guys can let me know, do you think it was worth $75? So we have our beautiful makeup bag, which obviously all this shit was in here, so it holds a lot. And then it also has a space up here for brushes, or if you want to put your liners and stuff separate from the rest of your makeup. Fantastic. We also get a sneak preview, y'all. We are the first people, if you got this box, you're going to be the first people to see her brand new sponge that she's going to be launching in a couple weeks, as well as her brand new mirror that will also be launching in a couple of weeks. So very, very exciting. We got not one, but 2 liquid lipsticks. We got 3 of her brushes. We got both of the highlight kits, the light to medium and the medium to deep. I think that is fantastic. We also got the coveted LAURALEE Nudity Patootie palettes. We got our Z palette with 6 single shadows. We also got the Boss Babe palette. I'm blown away. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is the best mystery bag I've ever gotten, period. I feel like everything is pretty universal. I feel like there's something in here that anybody of any skin tone could wear. I'm blown away. I'm 100% blown away. Again, as soon as my girl Kate gets her box, she's in Scotland, so it takes a little longer. As soon as she gets her box and she lets me know and gives me the go-ahead, we will be coming back and we'll be playing with all of our LAURALEE goodies. It is already a brand that I know and that I trust. The quality is always there for me, so I'm definitely excited to dive into more product from her. I'm blown away. I'm super excited. I love you guys. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.